It's a rare thing to find someone in this industry that you can stand on the side of all day, every day, and just be inspired by being next to them.
I never felt like I was at home anywhere. I always tried different things and stuff, but so we wanted to
kind of make a home for ourselves.
Yeah. And we're total opposites, but we kind of like feed off of each other, which is really nice.
We get compared to yin and yang a lot. We wanted something that represented the two of us completely. Music has definitely helped to drive our passion.
Yeah.
That's where we kind of got the hard rock cafe feel.
Also, we love to dance while we're working, so music was important because we like to rock out.
We started off literally one haircut at a time. We 100% put the control in our own hands, or our stylist's hands, and our clients trust us, and it's a fun environment. We just have fun.
If they're bored with the way they look, we're good at making people feel good about themselves.
I really like the total look.
Yeah, Nana likes total transformation.
Bringing out your inner person, building up the confidence for you to be the person that you see in your mind. We're with them for the most important days of their lives.
We have a really laid-back clientele.
We try to be welcoming, open,
and not judged or.
No, this is definitely a place where you can come and feel like it's okay to be yourself.